Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change language on the Metamask app. So let's start. First of all, open the Metamask app and log in to your account. After logging in, you will find a screen like this. Then after, go to settings, which is on the bottom right of your screen. At the settings, you will find a screen like this. Go to general. In the general section, you will find various options as shown on the screen. You will also find the current language setting. In order to change your current language, tap on the drop down option. Now from the various language options, you can select the language that you want to set on the Metamask app. There are various languages such as German, Greek, Spanish, French and so on. You can select the language that you are comfortable with. For now, let's select the Spanish language. As you tap on Spanish, your whole interface will be changed to the Spanish language. As you can see, the language has been changed to Spanish. Hence, in this way, you can change the language settings on the Metamask app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.